Good morning. We're going to start with the alphabet and its sounds. A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says E, F says F, G says G, H says H, I says I, J says J, K says K, L says oo, M says N says n, O says ah, Q says qu, R says S says s, T says t, U says V says v, W says w, X says x, Y says y, Z says z. Here we have our letters. If we are reading, we say j, a, jam. This is the word jam. Jam is like jelly. Here we have l, a, g, log. This is a log. You build a house out of logs. M, a, mop. You clean with a mop. Pig, pig. This is a pig. Tub, tub. This is a tub. Van, van. This is a van. Zip, zip. This is a zipper that you zip. Here's our new letter today. This is the letter H. It says H. So this is a horse. This is a house. This is a hand. This is a hat. This is a heart. This is hair. This is a hamburger. This is a hammer. This is a hill. Our feelings, we can talk about those feelings again. We have happy, excited, scared, sad, mad, jealous, tired, sick, and lonely. You can use those words and you can say, I am tired. You are sick. He is lonely. We are excited. You are happy. They are sad. You can also say, I feel. So today, I feel tired. You feel tired. He feels sick. So if you use he, she, or it, you have to add an S to the end to say feels. That's the only one that is different. You can say we feel happy. You feel scared. They feel excited. Here are actions. I added some. So here is read, repeat, write, think, draw, ask questions, run, walk, eat, cook, get dressed, do homework. When you are talking, you could say, I am eating. Here's your verb, but you already have the verb am. I am. So then you would put ing on the end. I am eating. You are is the verb cooking. He is drawing. We are doing homework. You are getting dressed. They are walking. When you have the am, are, is, are, you put ing on the end of your verbs. I am eating. Here's our words from yesterday. Apple, alligator, ants, astronaut, arrow, airplane, ape, anchor, adults. Snake, sun, snowman, soap, socks, swings, Superman, SpongeBob, scissors.